In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix options grayed out in Excel. If certain buttons or menu items in Excel are unavailable, don't worry. This usually happens because of a protection setting, editing mode, file format limitation, or an add-in conflict. We'll go through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get those options working again. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook where the options are grayed out. The first thing to check is whether the file opened in protected view. If you see a yellow warning bar near the top of the workbook, click Enable Editing. This often restores access right away. Next, make sure the worksheet itself is not protected. Go to the Review tab and look for the Unprotect Sheet option. If it's available, click it. Excel may ask for a password, so enter it if required. After that, also check whether the workbook structure is protected. Still under the Review tab, select Protect Workbook. If protection is turned on, click it to remove the protection and provide the password if prompted. Now verify that you're not working in a shared or read-only file. Go to File, then Info, and look for any read-only restrictions. If the file is read-only, click Enable Editing if that option appears, or save a new writable copy of the workbook. Another common cause is simply being in cell editing mode. If you're actively editing a cell, some ribbon options will be disabled. Press Enter or Ask to exit cell editing mode, then check the menu again. You should also confirm that multiple worksheets are not selected at the same time. If sheets are grouped, some features can become unavailable. Right-click any sheet tab and choose Ungroup Sheets if that option appears. After that, check whether the workbook is in compatibility mode. Go to File, then Info. If needed, click Convert, or save the workbook in the current Excel format as an .xlsx file. Older formats can limit available features. If the issue still continues, disable unnecessary Excel add-ins temporarily. Go to File, Options, and then Add-ins. From the Manage menu, choose COM Add-ins and click Go. Uncheck any add-ins you want to disable for testing, then click OK. Restart Excel and reopen your workbook. It's also a good idea to update Excel. Go to File, Account, Update Options, and then select Update Now. If nothing has fixed the problem yet, run an Office repair from Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office, choose Change, and run either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Finally, reopen the workbook and confirm that the previously grayed out options are now available. That's how to fix grayed out options in Excel.